This video will show you how to create either XZO or shapefiles with few zones or polygons from a line shapefile that has many segments. We'll start by going to the Image menu and loading in a shape line file that has many segments. Although it looks simple, this particular line file has over 100 distinct segments. In some cases, the line segments come close to overlapping. In this video, we'll go through the process of creating an XZO exclusion zone file from this line file. We start by going to the Layers menu and selecting Send Line Objects to XZO. For this example, let's assume that we have to have a 30 map unit buffer on either side of the line. We first enter the name for the XZO file. In this case, we'll call it manysegments.xzo. We're then prompted for an expansion distance, which is our line buffer. At this point, let's go to the Search menu and select Begin Batch Search and import the XZO file we just created. Now as we zoom in, we can see the zones that were created around each individual line segment. It's often advantageous to have a minimum number of zones. Some GPS systems import XZO files, but react sluggishly to a number of zones that might exceed, say, 100. Let's now go to the Search menu and select XZO Combined Polygons. We'll enter an input XZO file, then we'll specify an output XZO file. In this case, we're going to call this one Few Segments. After this process, we'll be shown a dialog that shows us the number of zones in the input XZO and the output XZO. Finally, let's clear all and then import our new XZO file. As we review our new simplified set of polygons, we'll notice something new to version 2007.1. The new item is the XZO's ability to support holes. This new feature brings XZO files more in line with shapefiles, which also support holes. At this point, the user might want to experiment with creating a shapefile from this XZO file.